Hi guys, and welcome to the Feast and the Furious YouTube channel. This is just a bit of an intro to let you know more about who we are and what we do and what you can expect from our channel. So this is me, John, and my smoker in the background. Turns out I started young wanting to be a chef. Growing up, I always had an interest in barbecuing, smoking, American food, things like that, and food in general. So it started out as a bit of a hobby in the back garden, many a cold morning, smoking some brisket, smoking some pulled pork, dishes like that. And then been able to turn my passion into a business. So we now have a food truck where we do smoked foods, low and slow, delicious food, anything like that we'll serve up on there. These are some of the dishes and some of the food that we do. And then this is some of the equipment we use. So this is our big smoker, Pro Q, gravity fed smoker. We fire this up for hours and hours at a time. We've got some of our brisket that we do here that's nice and juicy, long, low and slow cooking. Same with the pulled pork. If you can't pull the bone out straight after clean like that, then it needs a bit more cooking. Yeah, this is sort of food that we do, low, slow cooking, smoking for a long time. Then we've got some of our brisket here. You'll be able to see some of the pink bits on it, which are actually the smoke ring, which it's not undercooked, which some people think when they see pink, but it's actually the smoke ring, which is a nice amount of smoke on it. And this was our first ever customer, the first thing we did on the food truck, Chris. So we still think of you. Thank you very much for your custom, mate. And then this is us at Mountain Cheese Festival. So we go there every year. That's a local one for us, and we had a really good weekend there. Love serving the folk of Melton. This is me and my dad on the truck. So my dad helps out on the food events. He'll help out taking the orders and that. And we regularly go down to our local brewery, Round Corner Brewery in Melton MOWBRAY. They have loads of street food and pairs really nicely with their uncommonly good beer. So you can catch us down there regularly, serving up some different food, and alongside the new beer launches. They have all sorts of different street food vendors down there all the time, so it's always worth a check out there anytime that you can. And we're also really proud to be recommended by the Great Food Club. So a great club, got all sorts of food and drink related businesses, well worth a check out. And yes, our food truck is called Van Diesel, to just tie into the Feast and the Furious theme a bit more. We had some fab specials at Christmas as well. Lovely smoked turkey wrap that we had with some stuffing, some bread sauce, some cranberry sauce. Really went down well, that. So look out for regular specials that we do. We've also got our hot sauces that we serve up on the food truck. They're available to buy as well. Similarly with our rubs, great for using on the barbecue. All sorts of different meats, fish, all sorts. Great on everything. Also, we do catering for weddings, so we've take the food truck along, private parties, events, anything like that as well. And then we've got our other side of the business, so our cold smoked items, cold smoked cheeses, cold smoked pork pies that we do for Pie Fest in Melton, as we're from Melton MOWBRAY, of course. Cold smoked vegan cheese as well. It's been really popular, that one has. And And then we've also got our award-winning pie from Pie Fest, Silver Award for smoked beef and smoked Stilton pie in the 2020 Pie Awards in Melton. And you can catch us at regular farmers markets, Melton, Mowbray, every Tuesday. But we do other farmers markets in the East Midlands area as well, so you can come along and try some products and then buy some to take away. All sorts of markets that we've done. We've even got my little niece helping out at some markets as well. So I hope you like what you see so far, and make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll have some videos and all sorts for you over the next few months. Enjoy.